video highlights how babies and animals possess a natural immediacy that most adults have lost. While babies look at the world with wonder and animals live without thoughts of past or future, we are often trapped in thoughts, plans, and memories. But what if this lost beginner's mind was never really gone? What if it was just one small step, or no step at all, away? Babies and animals exist fully in the present moment. They don't analyze, compare, or try to be different. There is no I should be better or I need to accomplish something, only pure experience. As we grow, we replace direct experience with thoughts and concepts. Language, memory, and future plans overlay our perception, making us experience life not as it is, but through our mental filters. The biggest illusion is believing that the beginner's mind is far away. Many think it requires years of practice or spiritual journeys to find, but in reality, it's always just a tiny shift away, right here, right now. There is nothing to achieve. Just stop trying to be somewhere else. The quantum leap is not a path, but a simple return to what is. Everything you are searching for is already here. You just have to notice it.